Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn new lesson, unit number 5, the four seasons. Let us do warm up. Write the name of the season below each picture. We are given the picture, we have to write the name of these seasons. Here snow falling, as well as here all are wearing sweater, cap, shoes and socks, muffler. So these seasons are called winter season. Next, the girl is using umbrella while walking. So this is, what do you call this season? Yes, this is the rainy season. Rainy season. Next, in this third picture, the two boys are eating one of something. The two boys are eating something. One of them is eating an ice cream, and second one who is eating here watermelon. So you know very well when we are this thing eating more in summer season. So this is the summer season. Let us do reading. Now I am going to read this lesson. Okay? Read in pair to know which season is most important for us. In this lesson we are going to read which season is most important for us. Okay? Listen carefully. Once the four seasons had an quarrel. Once the four seasons had an quarrel. They are quarreling to each other. I am better than the three of you. Who said this one? I hope this one is the winter. It is telling, I am better than the three of you. I am better than you. The sun is telling, I am better than you. No, I am the best. This tree is telling, I am the best. This plant is telling. Quarrel means fight. Okay? The four seasons are fighting to each other. They are telling, I am the best than you. Let us move. Everyone thought they were the best. The four seasons they are telling, they are the best. I bring lovely flowers to full bloom. Here the spring season is telling when the flowers and leaves are blooming. So spring season is telling, I bring lovely flowers to full bloom. Birds chirp merrily, butterflies dance above the flowers. There is joy everywhere. See in this picture, spring season is saying, I bloom the flowers. Bloom, flowers means, bloom means here, full ana, full umalne, it's called. And it is bird chirping. In this season, the birds are chirping merrily, happily. Merrily means happily they are chirping, moving everywhere. Butterflies dance above the flowers. Butterflies also dancing above the flowers. There is joy everywhere. So there is a joy in the spring season. Next, the summer season is telling everybody has a lot of fun. Everybody has a lot of fun. They have ice creams, cool drinks, mangoes and watermelons. People enjoy swimming and going to the beach. In the summer season, all the people or boys or children, they are eating ice creams, watermelons, cool drinks, and people enjoy swimming, going to the beach. So summer season is telling, I am the best. Let us move towards the next page. By the time, when the time turns to autumn season, by the time means when the time comes, the autumn season is telling here, people are tired of the heat. Autumn season is telling the people are getting tired because of heat. I bring cool air and change the color of the leaves. I bring the cool air, autumn season is telling, and I bring cool air, change the color of leaves. Leaf. Many trees shed their leaves. Many trees, shed means fall down the leaf or leaves to the ground. In this season, the leaves are fall down. So, here the autumn season is telling, I change the color of the leaves. Means in this season, new leaves come out or they are coming new leaves. Next, winter season is telling some people feel very cold. In the winter season, some people feel very cold, so they wear the cap, sweater, and here blanket they wear. But they enjoy hot chocolate and soup. Still, they are enjoying the soup and coffee, chocolate, hot chocolates. Let us move. The season don't listen to each other. The four season they did not listen to each other because they are telling I am the best. Everyone is telling I am the best. None of them. I don't like summer. She is too proud. Winter season is telling I don't like the summer season because she is too much proud. Summer season. And summer season is telling I don't like winter. She is too cold. Summer season is telling you are too cold and I don't like the winter season. The both are fighting to each other, quarreling. Spring decide to end the quarrel. Spring season decide to end means to stop the fighting, quarrel. Don't fight, winter. It is because of you that snow falls. When the snow melts, the rivers and lakes fill up with water. Don't fight, winter season. It is because of you. Because of you means when the snow falls. When the snow fall down, when the snow melts, that's why the rivers and lakes fill up with water. Did you get through? When the snow fall down at that time, after some time, snow is melting because of the heat. So the rivers and lakes fill up with the water. And summer it is because of your sunshine that grains grow in the fields and fruits on the trees. The spring season said to the summer season, and it is because of your sunshine, because of your shining, or because of your heat, that's why the grains grow in the fields. The grains grow in the field as well as fruits on the trees. That is true. Spring, both are telling. Here summer season is telling, you are telling true. We must be united. All the seasons are important. All the seasons are important. United means we stand together. United means we have to stand together, show the unity, because they all are important. So spring, summer, autumn and winter become friends once more. So all the seasons come together and they are become good friends once again. They promise to never fight again. They promise to each other never fight again. We are all important. So all are important. So we have to stand together. Everyone is the best. Okay. So every season gives us something to us. So the winter season gives us here full of water. rivers and lakes fill up with water, and summer season gives us what gives us grows the grains in the field, fruits on the trees. Okay, so all the seasons are fruitful to all of us.